No, being an IT minister, I told you, no, it's a double-edged sword. We are first time, what has not happened in the last 20-25 years, we are creating in the last 2 years. Now, this has upset a lot of people who are not wanting anything to happen in Goa. So, CM also said that same thing, be positive. That for everything, opposition has become the flavor of the day, of the season. So, I think people also should understand that good projects, एक वाटेन आमकां employment जाय, एक वाटेन गोंयकार गोंयांत रावपाक जाय, आनी गोंयकारपण जाय, जाल्यार very strongly we'll have to go with projects which are in the interest of Goa and Goans. And ताज्या खातीर, if they are right, if they are in the interest of Goans, I think the people at large should forget the smaller issues. Politically, targeting one another is a different issue. But the interest of Goa has to be looked at widely, and we need to ensure that whatever opportunities need to be created today, need to be created, failing which I don't think anything will be left in Goa for people of Goa. ताजे खातीर एक वाटेन गोंया रावचे जाल्यार ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज करच्योच पडटा. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाचो बोवाळ घालतले जाल्यार इंडस्ट्रीज आपोवचोच पडटा. आनी हे मॅच करतले जाल्यार एम्प्लॉयमेंट मॅच करपाक इंडस्ट्रीज जाय. आणि IT खातीर what we are trying to do the next 1.5 years very important for the state, because that will create new avenues, new economics for the state and a new vertical to look upon for employment for the people of Goa.